Hey, Mark here in the fan cave. What I've got today is an unboxing a pair of brand new Reebok steel toe boots. So, let's see if they pass muster. So, these are called Reebok BB4500 high top work sneakers, and I'm 9.5 wide. So the box appears in decent shape, like it hasn't taken too many knocks. Alright, okay, I'm sorry, they're not steel toe, they're composite toe. Alright, so I work in a warehouse that requires safety boots and high top shoes. Doesn't matter if they're sneakers as long as they're high top. And it appears it comes with a little keychain or chain of sorts. Yeah, they were around $95, but I get a $100 boot reimbursement every year, so I will use that to my advantage. Now I'm going to try them on. Wow, this lace is here. It's all kinds of tied. Looked like they were just, maybe some little kid learning how to tie for the first time and just goes haywire. Alright, so I'm going to open these up a little bit because I have very wide feet. Take this little dangler off. Yeah, another pair of Reebok boots. I can't remember if they were steel toe or composite toe. I'll check, but yeah, very comfortable and they've held up pretty well. So, ooh, those are comfortable. That is nice. I'm the kind of guy I like to tie my shoes once and then just slip into them for the rest of the life of the shoe. I really can't stand doing what I'm doing now, which is bending over tying them, so I generally just tie them once. Alright, take one of their maiden voyage. So far, so good. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Good night and good luck.